different projects in various stages of progress at the same time. In order to stay up to date on all of these ongoing projects, they are often organized into programs and portfolios. Under these structural configurations, it's far easier to understand the big picture view of the company's progress when it comes to specific strategies or business objectives. By exploring the user interface of the applications you will use, the Microsoft PPM Cloud Service and Microsoft Project, and then creating a project and creating a program within those respective applications, you will start to lay the foundation for a well-organized, well-structured project and portfolio management experience. In Microsoft PPM, you need to become familiar with the Microsoft PPM Cloud Service user interface. While you might be accustomed to the Microsoft Project rich client experience, the Microsoft PPM Cloud Service is a bit different from what you're used to. Knowing how the Microsoft PPM Cloud Service looks and behaves will help you work more efficiently. In this lesson, you'll explore the Microsoft PPM Cloud Service user interface. It is a useful way to stay up to date on your project and portfolio information, and it provides you with the ability to make some changes to this information online. However, you'll often be working in the Microsoft Project Rich client where you can make more significant changes to your projects or programs. It's important to become familiar with Microsoft Project before you start managing your projects and portfolios with either application. In this lesson, you'll explore the Microsoft Project user interface.
Create a new project in either Microsoft PPM Cloud Service or Microsoft Project. Let's look at how to create a new project in Microsoft PPM Cloud Service. From the Office 365 homepage, click the project icon. This brings up the project summary page. On the left navigation menu, we'll select projects. This opens our project center. Here you can see your projects that are for your organization. Click on the projects menu tab and select the new command and enterprise project. This allows us to create a new project using the Create a New Project page. You're going to enter the project name and a short description. If you know the date that your project is going to start, you can add it here. The Browse button will drop down a list of owners that you can select for this project. You can do that at a later date also. To complete this process, click Finish. This will open your project details page. To complete the process, from the Project menu tab, click Project and Close. In the Check-in dialog box, say OK to check in your project, and that's how you create a project using Microsoft PPM Cloud Service. You can also use Microsoft PPM Cloud Service and Microsoft Project together to create a project. To do that, from this page, let's go to Projects again, select the New command, and in this case we're going to select In Project Professional. This will open Microsoft Project on your desktop. Enter your project name. Here you can enter your project tasks as you know them at this time. For now, we're just going to go to the File menu and select Publish. In the Publish dialog box, enter the project name and click Save. Once you see Publish completed successfully, we can continue with the next step, which is to close Microsoft Project. From the File menu tab, click File, and we're going to select Close. We want to check in our project, so say Yes. Now we can close Microsoft Project. You can also create a project using just Microsoft Project. Open Project, and from the Login screen, select from the Profile drop-down list your SharePoint site, and then press OK. We're going to open a blank project template in Microsoft Project. On the first line, we're going to enter our project name. Here you can also enter some of your project tasks. We'll just enter a few lines here. You would continue to put in your schedule as you know it. When you want to save, select File and Publish and enter your project name. Select the Save button. At the bottom of the screen, once you see Publish completed successfully, you can continue. Select the File tab again and select Close from the left navigation menu. We want to check in our project, so say yes. And now you can close Microsoft Project. To see your project on the Microsoft PPM Cloud Service homepage, refresh your page. Here you can see your project's name, Tray Research Silver Laser, and that's how you create a project using Microsoft Project.